Hi guys, I'm Guy, your DIY guy. Today I'm going to show you how you can easily protect the fruits in your garden using this very cheap bag you can buy in AliExpress. So please join me. As you can see, these are the pack of bags that I ordered from AliExpress. It costs about $15 for 100 bags, but you can find many sizes and flavors and many different prices. As you can see here, the side of the bag, they made some mechanism to tighten the bag on the fruit, but I don't like this mechanism so much, so I'm gonna show you what I did in order to tighten it in a better way. So what we're gonna do is use this wire that you can buy at any home center store, and this cutter. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna cut a piece from this wire, and then we're gonna use it to tighten the bag after we wrap it with the fruit. That's it, very simple. Okay, so I use these bags to wrap my pomegranates at my garden. And as you can see, I want to show you what happens to a pomegranate that is not actually being wrapped with this bag. So as you can see, probably some kind of wasp or another insect laid its eggs in the pomegranate. So probably you can see it. Let me show you better. So as you can see, the fruit is actually wounded, and probably you don't want to eat this pomegranate. So I'm not gonna show you how I'm gonna put the bag directly on the tree, because it's gonna be too challenging for me to hold the camera in with one hand and wrapping with the other. So the idea is very clear and pretty simple. So as you can see, this is the pomegranate, and sometimes what I am doing is I simply cut. You can see the pomegranate is growing from here, and you have this branch here. So what I'm doing is I simply cut the extra branch, so it's gonna be easier for me to put the bag. And I simply take the bag and I wrap the pomegranate with the bag. I simply take the bag and then I wrap the pomegranate with the bag, and then I'm taking the edge of the bag and I'm condensing the tip of the bag toward the branch and closing it on the fruit. Then after it's closed, we're gonna take this metal wire, we're gonna cut a piece of it. It doesn't have to be a big piece, and then we're gonna tighten the piece of metal on the branch like this, so it's gonna hold the bag. That's it. Then as you can see, the pomegranate is wrapped properly with the bag, and the bag is protecting it from insects and all kind of bad things. That's it, very simple.